Howdy everyone, this is Trisha and welcome to my channel. Today I will be making this Mediterranean steak salad. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up this thin sliced sirloin steaks into these strips. And this is about almost a pound and a half of beef. Alright, so I've got a hot pan here and I am adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And to that I am adding my beef strips. I am going to season this with 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and a teaspoon of dry oregano. And this is going to go into my beef right now. Okay, we're going to stir that in well and cook our beef for about 8 or 10 minutes, and we'll come back to it. Okay, so the beef has been cooking for about 7 minutes. I've got here 2 minced or chopped cloves of garlic. I'm just going to throw that right in. And I'm going to cook it for about another 3 or 4 minutes. So the total time should be anywhere 10, 11 minutes. We'll just check it and see. Okay, so the beef has cooked and it only took about 10 or 11 minutes here. It's very thin sliced, so it didn't take very long to cook. So just cook this to whatever doneness you like your steak to be. Okay, so I've turned off the heat and I'm going to pull it off to the side and let it rest. In the meantime, we're going to make a dressing for our salad. All right, for our dressing, we're going to need a 1/3 cup of olive oil. In there, I've got 1 clove of garlic chopped up, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And here I've got a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and a 3/4 teaspoon of dry oregano. And we are going to whisk that up. And then we're just going to set this aside and we're going to get our greens and the other ingredients to put our salad together. All right, for my salad, I am using this bag. It's a 5-ounce bag of spring mix, and then I've got another bag here, and this is baby arugula. You could just use extra spinach if you want instead of the arugula. I like the peppery taste of that, so I'm using that. And I'm using these little grape tomatoes, which I've cut in half. You can maybe just use maybe a couple of medium tomatoes and cut up some wedges. I have half red onions sliced up right here. This is 4 ounces of feta cheese. You can buy the one that's already crumbled up and just add whatever you want. I've got here some Greek Kalamata olives, and I'll need about a cup of that. I've got maybe, not a cup, but a 1/2 cup of that. And I've got maybe a 1/4 cup, close to 1/2 cup there. And I am going to serve this all up in a big bowl or pan. You could just serve them up and plate them individually. This would serve up to 4 people, but if you're really hungry, maybe 2 or 3 people. So just adjust this recipe to how much you need. By the way, this is a keto-friendly recipe. All right, everyone, I have layered my ingredients for my salad here. I've got the strips of beef in there, the tomatoes, onions, the calamari olives, and the feta cheese. I did only use 1/2 bag of the arugula. I felt the baby spring bag was enough for 3 of us, so I only added 1/2 bag of that. And now I just gotta put my dressing, which I gave it another little whisk just to make sure that it was all mixed really well, and it smells delicious, you guys. This will take a little tossing, and then we can serve it up on our plates to enjoy. So this is my beautiful Mediterranean steak salad. Like I said, this is a keto-friendly recipe, so try it out. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. It's gonna be very filling. I've already tasted the steak, and it is delicious. So I'm gonna give myself a big old thumbs up. I hope that you too will give me a big old thumbs up, and you'll leave a nice comment down below. I will put the recipe in the description box. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And thank you to everyone who has been subscribing. And thank you for the beautiful comments. Happy New Year to everybody. All right, everyone. Make sure you share on your social medias. And as always, enjoy.